Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menteri ka Sarkar Jala uba polling do hane ka sngi habakran bat kinong thok khobor hadian ka jing kendo jong ka gunhun menteri ulet ho baka Sarkar kalekran halor ka jing IT ka jaka jong ka MECL ha umnyam syakatna jong okai perthai naglyang uba pol ulet ho baka gunhun menteri ka menjor ban bren kam ka jaka jong ka MECL ulong baka Sarkar kalekran bat katnat boarding bat le menjor ban a yakni ka jaka syakatna jong okai kabalong kumba arspa nyopulai point sau huwei akar kajaka nak benta Hendru Posna. Menteri ulayat ho bayang ni kajaka katna jungokai kanchnai kajaka sa kum ki 5-star hotel bat ki 4 bat 3-star hotel hakani kajaka ulong bak sarkar kan seo shitingka nak benta shi akar bat gajingyo jong katna boarding nakani gajing IY kan long khanai popesan nak benta ki Hendru Posna. Ulayat ho bak sarkar kal menjore kani gajing kalyang jaka bat shan kin sasdang no ikajing trei hakani kajaka.
These are first the repurposing of MECL land. As I had mentioned in my earlier briefings, the move to further enhance and upscale the tourism sector with the support of line department. So today I'm happy to share with you that in order to monetize the unutilized land of MECL and its subsidiaries for development of tourism projects on lease and revenue sharing mode. The Cabinet today cleared the proposal whereby the Power Department through the MECL has decided to part with 273.41 acres of land and lease them to the Department of Tourism. The areas include the existing IB campus, the land from Leh Junction or along the dike, Rishatski up to Nongsdale village, police station and all the land behind the MECL school, land behind HRDC up to Nisak, block 5 area and the Lom Pongdeng Island, totaling 273.41 acres. This transfer of land from the Power Department to the Tourism Department will be as per government policy, which is first on a 60 years lease period, extendable by 30 years. And this will then be used for development of various tourism projects, which I will be briefing you from time to time. Government will pay an amount of ₹1 per acre, but the share of the Power Department will be 90% as lease amount for the first 60 years.
For 60 years?
Yes, which is extendable by 30 years. Mainly, we will bring in 5-star hotels. There's also the introduction of lake cruise services within the next 1 year. We will also be looking at more accommodation facilities which are of 3 to 4-star category. So we will draw a map whereby we will optimally use this huge tract of land, which is 273.4 acres.
When the government will implement that address of land in the developed site for tourism?
Immediately, now that the transfer has been cleared by the Cabinet.